Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, my name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today I thought we would do a new unboxing from a fashion house that I have not yet experienced before, and that is Faure, as well as compare what I got from Faure to something similar from Louis Vuitton. So let's get into it. But before I get started with today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday as well as shorts every other day. So if you like that kind of content or simply just want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So the item that I ordered is from Faure, as I mentioned earlier. And to be honest, I was debating on whether or not I was going to do a full unboxing video for this, just because I didn't really receive much packaging. So if you're not new to my channel, I am from Canada, so we actually don't have a Faure store here. So I did have to order it online through their website from Paris. So it did come in about 3 days. It does ship by DHL Express. However, it is about a $40 charge, as well as you do have to pay customs and duties. So all in all, I paid around $80 or so, in addition to the taxes as well as the item itself. So just bear that in mind if you don't have a Faure store with you in your country. So it came in a bubble wrapped envelope, and realistically all that was inside was the box and then 2 envelopes. These are the 2 envelopes that I received, and they both have this little knight head sticker on it. And then nothing is on the back side of either. And then this one is just a longer one. So here's what is inside of the smaller envelope. It's kind of just like Faure backstory and like how the fashion house became to be. So if you want to take a read, just go ahead and pause the video here. And then the larger envelope just had the shipping invoice and details. And the box did not come with any ribbon, so it just came like this, and it's kind of textured similar to the Goyard box, and there is no other branding on the box whatsoever. And then inside, all that was received with is tissue paper with that same knight head sticker. And to be fair, it's not in the box because I have been using it. So I'll go ahead and show you it now. And here is the dust bag that the item came in. There is no drawstring aspect to it, so it does freely stay open. So it's kind of more like a pocket dust bag, similar to Chanel. If I remember correctly, they have some of those classic flap dust bags that you pull them in and out from. And then there's nothing on the back side. And then the item that I purchased was the pocket wallet in their Paris blue color. So this is similar to the Louis Vuitton pocket organizer. However, after using it for a few days, I've noticed some differences that I will like to note after I just show you some of the details here. So on the interior of the Faure pocket wallet, you do get 2 card slots here, and there are these little like thumbprints, so that way you're able to take the card in and out of the slot easily. You do have another card slot here, and then you do have 2 slip pockets on either end. There is no back pocket, and you do get a yellow leather trimming here, I guess to signify that this is the front of the wallet. And then this is the back. Super cute. Absolutely love this piece. And I'm happy to add it to my collection. So here's a side-by-side comparison between the Faure pocket organizer and the Louis Vuitton pocket organizer. If you're not new to my channel, you're going to know that I collect these Louis Vuitton pocket organizers quite extensively. I have about 50 or so of them in my collection. So I was quite interested to purchase the Faure one just to get a good comparison between the two. And right off the bat, after using it for a couple days, I did notice a few differences. The first one being that the Faure pocket organizer is actually a little bit smaller than the Louis Vuitton one. So I'll try to overlap it so you can see, but in terms of the height and width of the pocket organizer, the Louis Vuitton one is slightly taller as well as slightly longer in terms of width. And then obviously towards the back, the Louis Vuitton one has a back pocket and the Faure Lepage one does not, which is a little bit disappointing just because I absolutely love this back pocket that Louis Vuitton puts on these wallets. So it's kind of a missed opportunity there. And then moving on towards the interior, the Faure Lepage one does not have that much more organizational compartments compared to the Louis Vuitton one. So with the Faure Lepage one, you're only going to get 5 card slots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. However, with the Louis Vuitton one, you do get a total of 9 card slots, 1 at the back, and then 8 within the interior. So you do get 3 card slots here, an additional 1 here, 2 on the side, similar to the Faure Lepage, and then you do get 2 extra ones here. So you do get more organizational compartments with the pocket organizer from Louis Vuitton than you do from Faure Lepage. So if you're looking for an even more compact wallet, the Faure Lepage one might be a better option for you. But I honestly still love the Louis Vuitton one just because you get a little bit more card slot options if you do tend to carry more than 5 or so cards. And the other interesting fact is this Faure Lepage piece is now 660 Canadian dollars on their website, plus tax, duties, and shipping. So this wallet will be a little bit more expensive than the Louis Vuitton one just because Louis Vuitton doesn't charge any shipping or duties on their orders. So there is a little bit of a price difference there. So keep that in mind if you're looking between these two wallets. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this kind of content or just want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.